Hello and welcome to Learning Development Time. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create alert for KPI and threshold. So this is a sample of the Power BI file that we are going to use. I'll leave this file in the weekly tips a PDF file. So with this, you can refer to the previous video. Then you will learn how to upload this file. Okay, so this is our file for demonstration purpose. So with this, you create an alert for one KPI. KPI is key performance indicator. That's metrics. Every project has a metric to measure the success of for the organization. So you can either right click or you hover your mouse on the KPI that you want to do it. Then you select with the bell here. That's add alert. So we are using turnover rates. Then also, so this is how it is. Then you choose that's when there's changes or changes by increase by this. So let's say 30%. So if it increase, the turnover rate increased by 30%, there will be an alert. So alerting you that there must be a decision, or decision making must be done. Then also you can send to yourself, or you can send to anyone that you want to send this notification to. So this is how it is. You can add again how you want it to be. So I'll leave here so that you pass it on. Goodbye.